this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and main category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating hotels online at its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several deals and offers are available on this hotel along with details and policy. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will